Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace shocks on a Nissan Titan. First, gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, a torque wrench, and appropriate sockets. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported. This process typically takes about 2 to 3 hours for all 4 shocks, depending on your experience level. We will cover each step thoroughly to help you complete this task successfully and safely. Before beginning any work, always prioritize safety. Park your Nissan Titan on a firm, level surface and engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels for added security. Use a reliable floor jack to lift the front or rear of the truck, then position 2 robust jack stands under the frame rails. Once the vehicle is safely supported, you can remove the wheel to gain clear access to the shock absorber assembly. Now, let's proceed with removing the old shock. Begin by locating the upper shock mounting bolt, usually found in the wheel well or under the hood, and loosen it. Next, move to the lower mounting bolt, which connects the shock to the suspension arm or axle. Remove both bolts completely. You might need to slightly compress the old shock to free it from its mounting points. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the mounting brackets for any signs of wear or corrosion. With the old shock removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new shock absorber, aligning its upper and lower mounting points. Insert the bolts and hand tighten them first. Once both bolts are in place, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque settings, typically around 100 to 150 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel, lower your Nissan Titan, and double-check all connections for tightness. A test drive will confirm proper installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.